14. Music history. So first we talk about music from the medieval era, which is around 476 to 1450. So Ordo Virtutum is written by Hildegard von Bingen, who was born on 1098 and died in year 1172. He was a religious leader, writer, and composer. He composed original poetry and music, and created the genre morality play, and composed the morality play Ordo Virtutum, which is the play of virtues. So this song, the genre is morality play. The texture is monophonic, which means it's improvised accompaniment. The language is Latin, and the voices are female voices representing the soul and 16 virtues, one spoken male part representing the devil, and other instruments for improvised accompaniment. So the second piece is Sumer is Ikumen In, and this was written in the 13th century, and the composer remains anonymous. So this song's genre is a vocal work in the form of a rhoda, which is a round. The texture is polyphonic, and there are 6 voices. I'm going to talk about music from the Renaissance era, which is around 1450 to 1600. So the first piece is El Grillo, which is written by Josquin des Prez, who was born at around 1440 to 1521, and he was a Franco-Flemish composer and produced more than 150 vocal works, and composed the piece El Grillo, which means the cricket. So this song, the genre is a fartola, which is a polyphonic vocal work. There are 4 voices, and the texture is polyphonic with frequent homorhythmic passages. Now, global music styles. So the Javanese Gamelan. Java is an island in Southeast Asia, and a well-known type of Javanese music is the gamelan, an ensemble comprising instruments like metallophones, drums, and voices. Gamelan music has a cycle of varying tempos with repeated ostinato-like melodies and motoric rhythms. The Raga in Indian music. Indian music has a lot of rich traditions of improvisation. The raga is a set of notes and associated motives from which an entire performance unfolds. A raga may serve as a basis of an extended improvisation that can last for hours. The raga in Indian music. Indian music has a lot of rich traditions of improvisation. The raga is a set of notes and associated motives from which an entire performance unfolds. A raga may serve as a basis of an extended improvisation that can last for hours. More vocabulary. So polyphonic texture is the combination of 2 or more independent melodic lines, and it's also known as the contrapuntal texture. Rhoda is the Old English word for round, and strict imitation is created through successive entries of a melody in several voices. An ostinato is a recurring rhythmic or melodic pattern. A fartola is a popular secular polyphonic vocal genre developed in Italy in the late 15th century, and it's based on playful poems and light-hearted word painting. Word painting is when the music mirrors the meaning of words through melody, harmony, and rhythm. A cappella is a type of Renaissance vocal music, and homorhythmic texture is when all voices have the same rhythmic pattern. More vocabulary. So the gamelan is a traditional Javanese instrumental ensemble, and it features metallophones, gongs, xylophones, drums, and voices. And metallophones are instruments featuring metal bars of different sizes that are stuck with a variety of mallets. The raga is a pattern of pitches defined by the number of notes it contains and the pattern of intervals. and it's used as a basis of extended improvisation. The sitar is a multi-stringed, plucked instrument with 5 strings for melodies and 2 strings for percussion, and the tawa is a metric cycle or regularly repeating rhythmic phrase.